My name is Mohammadi. I am a lecturer. My question is, my younger brother name is Allama, only Allama. If I call him Allama, is it a sin?
Sister has asked the question that her brother's name is Allama. Is it a sin to call the younger brother Allama? Sister, see, what is the meaning of Allama? Allama means a great scholar. And like the brother said, I'm a scholar. To be very honest, Wallah, I'm telling you, I still have no knowledge at all. I don't have knowledge at all. Wallah, I don't ever think I have knowledge. Scholars are very great people. They are the inheritance of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm a very cheap, simple Muslim. I'm very, very simple like all of you. Some books, I just read them, I shared it with you. Knowledge, it has not yet reached. May Allah give me knowledge. And I am very proud to be a student till my death. I don't want to become anything more than that. I am more honored being the student of Islam till my death, inshallah. So what does Allama mean? Allama means a very honorable scholar of Islam. When you are calling him Allama, it's not a sin because there is no objection to it. But at the same time, try to make duas for Allah that he becomes the Allama for Islam and not for anything against Islam. If he's an Allama, Allama for what? Allama can be an Allama for Islam or anything against Islam. Make duas that your brother becomes an Allama of Islam, inshallah. I hope I answered that question.